Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install CentOS Stream 9.1 on VMware Workstation Pro 17. So from VMware Workstation Pro 17 onwards, CentOS 9 operating is supported. So now I am creating one virtual machine. So I am selecting Red Hat Enterprise Linux as flavor. So I am giving one name to virtual machine. Next, I am providing the local path. So this is the local path. Next, I am allocating around 40 GB hard disk as a single file. So next, I am going to customize the settings. So I am allocating 8 GB RAM. So now I am allocating 4 core CPU. DVD ISO file. I am selecting CentOS Stream 9.1 DVD ISO file, which I already downloaded. Next, I am selecting host only network adapter, which means I am not going to connect to internet. Please note the point, I am not going to connect to internet. This is the offline installation, so I am not going to connect internet anywhere. Okay, let us start the installation. Let me power on the virtual machine. So let us start install CentOS Stream 9 on VMware Workstation Pro 17. So this is the installation screen. So select English as a default language. Installation destination I have selected. Time and date I have chosen according to my locale. So providing the root password. So after providing the root password, I will begin the installation. So it's a very basic install only, server with guy. Okay. That's all. Installation is completed. Let us reboot the CentOS Stream 9.1. Yes. So installation completed. Now final setup. So I am giving my name. So this user only I am going to use as a login user. That's it. So see here, what is the advantage of VMware Workstation Pro 17 is that guest editions are installed automatically. Okay, no need to install guest edition manually. Let us check whether it support shared clipboard or not. So next I am going to check the shared clipboard functionality. So see, I have typed some command in terminal, right? I am going to copy paste this command to Windows host machine. Okay, so I am copying this command output. Okay, I am copying this output. Yes. See here, I can able to copy paste from CentOS Stream 9.1 virtual machine to Windows host machine. Let me try from Windows host machine to CentOS 9.1 virtual machine. Let me copy paste this echo command. Yes. So CentOS Stream 9.1 installation on VMware Workstation Pro 17 is successful, and guest installation is also enabled automatically.